video explains how to put parts together using a new environment. It is called GB Matrix Assembly. Click on this module. Then you are in the assembly environment. To put the parts together, first we need to actually find the parts in the part library. So click it. And you will see your parts. If you cannot find it, you can click this one, and in this drop-down menu, you can find the folder where you actually have your parts file. Okay, so this is to show how to put a pin and bushing and circlip together as a subassembly for the assignment. To bring the parts in, we just need to double click the part like this. So that's the first one. Then we can put the second one. In this case, I put bushing here. Double click. Once these two parts there, then we can assign different relationship. Click on this triangle, then we can see the different relationships between parts. So we do XOR line, click that one, then to align the inner hole of the bushing with the outer surface of pin. Right, just click and click. Next, we carry on to set the relationships. This time, we use planar align. Click and find a end surface of bushing and click. Then move to the end surface of bushing and click. So they align to each other. In the actual assembly, the bushing should be right in the middle of the pin. In this case, we need to actually adjust the offsets. So click on select, then click on pin, then move down. We'll see the planar line relationship here. Click that one, and you have access to the dimension box here. You return and press enter. It's there. Right. If you click anywhere on the screen, you'll see the bushings on the pin, but this time it's not right in the middle, because I didn't actually calculate what distance I should actually set between the end of the bushing and end of the pin. Okay, if you want to change it after calculation, we click on the pin again, we click on that relationship again, and then we have access again. The correct one should be 9, press return, and then you click on anywhere on screen. You see now it's in the middle. This is how to actually change the relationships and offsets, the planar alignment. Next is we're going to put the circlip in. So we go to the library again. We double click the circlip. Okay. Then we do the same. Assign XOR line between the inner hole and the pin. So once it's set, the next is to put, they are aligned now. Next is to put in the slot. Okay, to do that, we set the second relationship. This time we use a mate. Click on mate. Then we select the area on the circlip and select area and click on the pin. You'll see the circlip is not set in the pin. So we can repeat this one for the other side. Right. First, we do XOR line. Okay. Click when it's highlighted and click again, so they align to each other. Right. The next is to do the same. Use the mate net surface. Click. Net surface. Click. Now you can see it's been placed in the groove. So then you can click save and save it as a pin bushing and circlip. Click on save. That's it for this video.